Welcome back, guys. I came to try some foods in Aluthkade. As you can see, it's super busy right now. So many people came to eat some street foods in Aluthkade. So let's check it out. What we can eat from here. Aluthkade street food is very famous in Sri Lanka, in Colombo especially. So many street foods you can buy from here. Oh, this shop seems good. Lot of burgers and submarines over here. So let's check it out. මේකේ මොනවාරි මයොනයිස් මොනවාරි දාලා Guys, I ordered some barbecue chicken breast from a shop, and they offered some parota as well for free. Ketchup, salad, and some piece of chicken. So guys, I think this meal is actually very worth for $2. The taste is very good. The barbecue chicken was very good. So after having this, I am fully sweating, as you can see. So I want to find some drink right now. So hopefully I can find some better drink. Pani puri over here. Let's go further and look for some drink like milkshake or whatever. So we can have some badam milk from here.
Badam bar.
Badam. This is one ine. Eh? Apa dia ni very pura?
Very ice dal.
Eh?
Ice dal.
මේ ෆලුඩා එකද රහ බදාම් එකද මේකද?
බදාම් එක ෆලුඩා.
මේක නෑ මේක.
මොකද්ද රස?
ස්මයිලෝ මේක ෆලුඩා.
ෆලුඩා එකද රහ?
ෆලුඩා.
ෆලුඩා කීයද?
250.
ෆලුඩා ඇද්දා.
ෆලුඩා ගම්.
ඔව් ෆලුඩා. ඒ එකක් දා.
ෆලුඩා කරයි.
So guys, as the guys said, the faluda is best one, so I ordered faluda. මොකද්ද? faluda එක
faluda දිනවා
faluda එක faluda එක නේ faluda එක රහයිනේ
ආමන් එක තමයි ස්පෙෂල් ආමන් එක තමයි
ආමන් එකද? ඒ කියන්නේ බදාම් එකද?
බදාම්
මම බදාම් එකක් දීවා. ඒ රහ වෙනස්ද?
මේක පොඩ්ඩක් ක්වොලිටි වෙනස්.
එහෙමද? කමන්නේ faluda එකක් දාමු. faluda එකටත් මේව ඇඩ් වෙනවද? කෑලි.
කෑලි එඩ් වෙන්න පුළුවන් දාලා දෙන්න.
ආ.
සපෝට් එක දෙන්න ඒ වෙනද.
වීඩියෝ එකකට කමන්නේ? ඈ? ඔව්.
YouTube ला बोर्ड बड़ी मत जा। हां?
Oh. How he made it. So this is faluda, guys. So as the guy said, the badam drink is also very unique and famous drink here. But I tried it before, so I managed to get faluda from here. So let's try how it tastes.
අපේ ලෝගෝ එකක් තියෙනවා ඒකේ පෙන්නන්න. අපේ ලෝගෝ එකක් තියෙනවා.
Make it. Ah. So this is the logo from this shop, guys. Mr. Juice, and the number as well. Right.
ෂෙෆ් නේ. අපි ඔයාලට සංජානන දෙනවා. සංජානන.
Over. Wow, කඩේද?
ඔව්.
ඔයා බීවද? බදාම් එක?
බදාම
We don't have foods from over there, this street food ends from here. It's not a much big area, but lot of street foods have and lot of happenings. Everywhere people. So I will be right back after finish this faluda, guys. It's 10:15 p.m. right now, but everywhere people gathering and looking for foods. I'm gonna hunt in some cheese kottu from here. Cheese kottu is very unique and famous food in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is famous for kottu as well, but I wanna try some cheese kottu from here. So let's find out cheese kottu shop from here. Probably we can try some cheese kottu from here. As you can see, there are a lot of people in this shop right here. Oh, look at this submarine, sandwich, barbecue, chicken, and a lot of things from here. Decorated very well. So I'll ask them. They have some cheese kottu.
just one එක දෙන්නට කන්න පුළුවන් ෆුල් එක 3000ට දෙකටම චිකන් කාලා එඩ් වෙන්නේ පෝෂන් එක විතරයි අඩු වෙන්නේ 1500 එක එන්නට ගන්න මිස් අලුත්කඩේම අපි තමයි දාන්නේ මොසරලා චීස් එක කොහොමද
1500 එක.
ඩයිනින්ග් සර්
Oh, dining. So guys, I ordered some cheese kottu from this shop. Apparently, a lot of people gathering in this shop to have some submarines and other stuff from this shop. They decorated very well, looking beautifully. So that's why people gathered for this shop than the other shop. So I'm gonna look inside how the gentlemen make our cheese kottu. So I'm not sure whether they allow to go inside and film in. So let's find out. So I am allowed to film in here. So as you can see, the gentleman is doing hard working. First, fresh milk, right? And then sauce, salt, a lot of stuffs he is putting into cheese kottu. And also mozzarella cheese, right? So the guy said the only shop is there, the mozzarella cheese include their flavors in this street. So guys, the best thing they allowed me to film in right here. So I feel I am bothering him, so I'm gonna go outside. He is doing a great job right here. So let's see how is the output. So I'm gonna go outside, not bothering him anymore. Oh my god, this is our cheese kottu right here from a savannah with the 2 crispy chicken, and they put some cucumber pieces and also some chili paste or something. It looks very good, guys. So let's try and explore what taste it like. Guys, I'm gonna try cheese kottu even though my stomach is already full. So let's try this. Oh, its taste is very juicy. And a lot of fresh milk and cheese add very well. And also they include huge turkey chicken leg as well. And the portion is also very huge. Only for $5. Yeah, it's only for $5. It's very worth deal, guys. Chicken is also very crunchy and crispy. So it's very worth, guys. So I'll be right back after having this delicious cheese kottu, guys. Najila Soup Cafe. Najila Soup Cafe, superb. Okay, this shop name is Najila Soup Cafe. That I'm having cheese kottu. So they asked for my YouTube channel name, so I gave them. So I'm gonna leave right now. Before finish my vlog, I bought some badam milk from this shop, which is some kind of delicious famous drink over here. It includes some almond and some ingredients. I don't know what those are, but taste is very good. A lot of people prefer to buy some badam drink from here. As you can see, the man has to do a lot of works because of crowd. So guys, after having delicious night, I'm gonna end this video right here from Aluthkade Street. So we will meet again in the next video, guys. Bye bye, take care.